out?
Yes.
Why is the flash going on?
But only half white.
Half White House.
Yes.
Look, guys, this is from Brussels. Drones in the sky. And the Brussels celebration of something.
What is that then? I think
I don't know
they
either.
will
Anyway,
go
what's this? It's turning around.
freedom.
Freedom, is it?
Yeah, with from the other side, you know.
Aha, it is. Yes, actually, it's more for
Wow.
people on that side. Freedom.
I think it's turning to our side now.
So maybe they're just supposed to get rid of the Trump and they will get freedom. Very easy. Do we get something else?
Maybe.
Doesn't looks like
Maybe
it.
they need to charge the drone.
Yes, maybe they need to
Battery is
charge the
down.
drones. That's it. Okay, guys, I love you all. God Franzi from Brussels.